Hello, hello, hello. So, what I have in front of me and what I'm going to be talking about in this video is the EcoStyle Professional Styling Gel, olive oil, alcohol free, and it's for all hair types. And what it says on the bottle is that it moisturizes hair and scalp, tames frizz, no flake, no tack, anti-itch, and the maximum hold is on 10. So you know the hold is real. And on the back, it just tells you what all the benefits from like olive oil. And it's made with 100% pure olive oil. And the olive oil, what it does, it helps your scalp naturally regulate its own moisturizing system, and it helps attract moisture to the scalp and holds it in. And it's pretty much just saying, like, throughout the other gels, it leaves it like weightless and leaves your hair with a healthy shine and superior hold. And that is so cool. I got the picture of like the olive oil in the back. I never really looked at the back until now. But as you know, olive oil is supposed to, it has amazing like hair benefits as well. Like, I know I've used olive oil before in like a homemade mask, and it actually really left my hair very silky, very soft. The grip when I have the mask go, that's you know, that's a plus. But anyway, I used to be using this gel. I don't really use it every single day just because it's kind of like a water-based gel. Let me open the top so you can see what I mean by water-based. If I can get this up. Wait. Okay. Are you going? Well, I'm trying to get this top open. Alright. Let me just go ahead and just explain a little bit. And then I'll try to get the top open in another video, because it seems like I'm really struggling a little bit. This is closed very nice. Okay, so what I mean by water-based, it's like, okay, I'm trying to explain how I can explain it. Okay, more of an oil-based gel. It's kind of more on the thicker side and more on the harder side. And it doesn't leave your hair not necessarily greasy, but it has more like of a harder texture to it. Whereas gel is kind of, you know, like gooey and something sticky, somewhat like that. So it's water-based. So just because it's a water-based gel, I know with my hair, sometimes I have to be careful because it can leave flakes on my hair, even though it's not supposed to. I never really had any flakes from using this gel, but I just know that I have to be careful to use it whenever I'm using like a water-based gel or whatever. Anyway, I mean, I really don't have any complaints about this. I probably use this maybe twice throughout the week when I want to like mix, because I have a lot of I have a lot of styling gel products as far as like with edges, just to put over my hair overall. I have put this on my hair before overall, and I pretty much did it so last minute, because starting back on like my natural hair journey, whatever, because I haven't grown my hair curly and out in I don't know how long. But I was like, what am I supposed to do? I kind of had like amnesia. I was just like, okay, how do I style my hair again? What products do I need? I was just like all over the place, you know. So before I actually started on my natural hair care and styling my hair natural again, I was just kind of like lost, and I kind of really forgot all about this. And I was like, oh man, I could have put this in my hair, right before like I had my hair straightened. I definitely gotta talk about the flat iron that I used. Woo! Beautiful. But anyway, staying on topic. So at the last minute, yeah, I kind of like wet my hair a little bit, and then I applied the gel on. It did kind of leave my hair a little hard, just a little bit, just because of the maximum hold, and I think because of how much I put on it, because I haven't worn my hair curly in a very long time, like I just said. But I mean, the curls looked really, really moisturized. It looked vibrant. There was absolutely no frizz. The only frizz that my hair was is when I was kind of like separating curls, just so it didn't look so like, I don't know, that look where you just look like you just got the shower hair look. Kind of, does that make sense? And it's kind of like just slick down instead of like big and fluffy and everything. So I kind of was just fluffing it out to make it a little bit bigger. That was the only frizz that I had, and I love when my hair does that little bit of frizz. Appreciate it now. But anyway, and the curls did leave it was left a little bit hard, just a little bit. But as far as like styling in the front and making sure everything was in place, it definitely did that. There was absolutely no hair out of sight when I was slicking it around the front of my hair, my edges, and I was able to style, you know, whatever that's needed to be done. Everything was staying. And then sometimes what I like to do is on the sides, I like to just leave my hair how it wants to be, because sometimes my hair does not want to be touched, and it has a mind of its own. So I was like, okay, I'm not going to lay down the baby hair on the sides. I'm just going to let y'all go ahead and go curly. And it was, it looked beautiful. It just looked like my hair was just free, just in a natural state again. But I absolutely do love this gel. I don't have any really complaints of it. And then for it to say alcohol free, that's definitely a plus too. Because a lot of water-based gels have a alcohol base to it. It doesn't really have a smell when I was applying it onto my hair. It doesn't really smell like anything. It just smells like gel. Again, this is the EcoStyle Professional Styling Gel. And it is olive oil. And I don't know if they have anyone small in this, but this is a pretty big size. And it lasts for a while too, as you can see. So, yeah.